What's up, YouTube? It's Olivia Nita, and I'm back with another video. Today is, what's today? I don't even know what today is. What the? Today is the 28th, and y'all know what that means. I've been counting down this day, y'all. So I'm supposed to be going to a Halloween party tomorrow, but this the thing. It's gonna be in Arkansas. So I'm gonna go to my best friend's house in Arkansas. The one that I always go on my trips with, the one that y'all always see in my trip vlogs, all the Houston vlogs. Yeah, that's her. If y'all seen them, then that's her. Y'all know who I'm talking about. That's Kayla. So Kayla, she wanted me to come down for Halloween and go to this Halloween party with her. And oh shit, any chance that I get to go to Arkansas to go, I'm gonna get my ass up and I'm go. So always, I love Arkansas. I don't care what nobody else say. I like Arkansas. So that's what we doing. This gonna be a vlog. Basically a vlog. I'm gonna only be out there for one day because I gotta go to work Monday. So I'm leaving Sunday. And I'm leaving tonight. And I'm not gonna be in Arkansas until tomorrow morning at like 8 o'clock. And it's 5 o'clock now. So yeah, we got 15 hours until we get there. And I'm so ready. I got 15 hours until I see my soulmate. I got 15 hours until I see my baby. No, I'm just playing. So yeah, I got 15 hours until I see my best friend. And I'm so excited, y'all. We've been talking about this day. We just been talking about this day. We've been waiting on this day. I just got off of work. So I'm just gonna be lollygagging. I already packed my bag. Bag was packed last night. I packed last night. No wrecks, no none. Please just let me have a safe trip there and back. And just have a good weekend. Yeah, because this is really my last week, like my last trip of the year. Like after this trip, I won't be going on no more trips of the year. Because the holidays about to come up. And baby, and Christmas coming up. Thanksgiving coming up. And then it's about to get cold too. So, you know, I'm not finna go nowhere in the snow. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also enter the giveaway. Because people actually been commenting. So thank y'all to everybody that already commented. Thank y'all for supporting. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. But my allergies is starting to act up. That's why I got my tissue in my bag. It's 9:40. My allergies finna start acting up. Oh, they finna start acting. But it's 9:40. I'm about to head out because I gotta step by the bank and I need to go. I wanna go get me some stuff to snack on. Something to drink. I'm gonna need something to drink. So
he was all the way in the wall.
I'm gonna give me something to eat because I haven't ate all day. I ate like a little sandwich at work, but I haven't ate nothing all day. So I'm finna I ordered me just a mac chicken and a small fry at McDonald's because I really don't eat them like that no more. So, and I'm ready to get out the car, y'all. My mama, she been complaining since she got in this car. And I just wanna lay down. I just wanna go to sleep. And just wake up and be in Arkansas. Is that too much to ask for?
You can't reach me by my number. Yeah, Brianna, motherfucking
Man, what's good? Yeah, we at Walmart. We at Walmart. Come on. My ass is getting ass leave.
turn. No, it's not.
Hell no.
It's not bad.
It's not the shit. Baby, I know I ain't.
No, you can't fit the noise.
Did you get what you needed? You missed the boys section. No, I'm talking about some. You said you need to go to the boys section. Peekaboo. 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 Good. Look at him, y'all. Amir. Say what's up. Why you look at your mama? Eden. Say what's up. Yeah, the mama nice, the kids mean. Don't fuck with her. He's just waiting till we get to his territory. Right. Then he gonna terrorize me. You're like, we ain't in my shit yet. Right. Look how he looking. Yeah, he playing hard to get right now.
I'm hungry this morning.
Girl, I ate my breakfast. Them 4 years. Nah, look, McDonald's right here. Oh, have you ever had a chicken?
McGriddle?
Yes.
No, but that feels good.
Oh, yes, baby, that is. Okay, y'all, we finna get ready to go. Well, I am. Until next month. Bye, Mimi. Bye-bye.